The Nest temperature sensor helps solve uneven heating and cooling in your home. Instead of your thermostat only knowing the temperature where it's installed, these sensors let it regulate temperature based on specific rooms where you spend the most time. Before setup, ensure you have a compatible Nest thermostat. The sensor works with the Nest Learning Thermostat 3rd and 4th generation, as well as the Nest Thermostat E. Without one of these thermostats, the sensor cannot function. Setup is straightforward using the Google Home app. First, open the app on your smartphone. Then locate the QR code on your temperature sensor and scan it using the app. The app will guide you through connecting the sensor to your Nest thermostat with simple step-by-step instructions. The sensor communicates wirelessly with your thermostat using Bluetooth Low Energy, which provides reliable connection while conserving battery power. Speaking of battery, it uses a standard CR2 3-volt lithium battery that lasts up to 3 years before needing replacement. Each Nest thermostat can connect up to 6 temperature sensors, and you can have a maximum of 18 sensors throughout your entire home. This gives you plenty of flexibility to monitor temperature in all your important rooms and create a truly customized climate control system. Proper placement is crucial for getting accurate temperature readings from your Nest sensor. The location you choose directly impacts how well your system can maintain comfortable temperatures throughout your home. This compact sensor needs to be positioned strategically to provide the most accurate temperature data for your thermostat system. First, choose a frequently used room where you spend most of your time. Position the sensor around chest height, approximately 4 to 5 feet from the floor, as this gives the best representation of the room's temperature that you actually feel. The sensor communicates wirelessly with your thermostat using Bluetooth Low Energy. Keep it within 50 feet of the thermostat, but remember that walls and other obstructions can reduce this range. Avoid placing sensors in locations that can give false readings. Keep them away from direct sunlight, heating vents, fireplaces, and poorly insulated surfaces like exterior walls or windows. For homes with zoned heating and cooling systems, it's essential that your sensor is placed within the same zone as the connected thermostat. This ensures proper temperature control for that specific area. By strategically placing your sensors, you can prioritize the temperature of specific rooms where you spend the most time. This improves comfort and can potentially save energy by avoiding heating or cooling unused areas. Remember, the right placement makes all the difference. Choose frequently used rooms, maintain proper height and distance, avoid heat sources, and consider your home's zone configuration for optimal performance.